Masterclass podcast. It's on YouTube. Please check it out. We're on 14 episodes now. You will learn everything about the music industry if you're serious about it. Check it out.
That's what it is, man. On YouTube, Masterclass Podcast. This is Masterclass Hip Hop Sessions. Every fucking Sunday we're here. This is what we do. Who's up next? If you wanna come rap, come see us, yeah? If you ain't on the lineup tonight, because we're gonna get the fucking shit part started, right?
Yeah.
So if you're not on the lineup, this is your time. If you're outside, pull up. If you're that side, pull up. We're about to give everybody a chance, yeah?
We're just warming up the stage.
Word.
Calvin T.I.G.
Do your thing, man.
All the way from Valcom, Free State. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Don't be shy, don't be shy.
Yeah, I'm Kelvin. Let me just hit you with a freestyle a little bit. I always say niggas in the front, they steady die. I'm stopping niggas, started growing teeth, I needed something like a pie. Maybe cause my stomach never full, don't know what to call myself. After watching my old man die, turn into a cold man and the day dry. All my life I've been living as a making noise and watch me bend the car. I'm playing, trying to open this damn door. All niggas are touching them like a real sword, trying to get it on. Know they catch a fall, run it and they get it on. So I'm happy to fall, that's why I trust nobody. If I just book a local, the cops, they cuff me. But the first, let me tell you something, they did nothing they can do to me. That's how many niggas feeling like it to me. Sometimes you don't need to obtain, you just feed them. Heaven faith, all of your enemies, you just feed them. I got something that you can believe in. Buzz a punch like a test, man defeated. And the day penetrating harder in your heart, watching nigga like a bleach and screaming. It's a funny mind, the only ones are loaded. Killer all the folks will become a most wanted. I get it, what I need the better is my feet. It's follow everything, uncatchable speed. I started underground, I know the enemy. If you can call me cedar, I don't need the cheese, I eat the meat, that's a beef. Vampire till the niggas are running with cold feet. I don't bleed up in the heat to 1 billion degrees. Still asking why they hating on me. And I ain't let you can see y'all. Plus something this, I'm blaming that on alcohol. I get a loose, I call it, get a broken jaw. The only one me, I'm a baller off of basketball. Fuck it, what you dream about? I know now I'm starting heavy closer, don't get to me or water. I don't catch a cold when I smoke, I try to be non-stop. In the every show, make sure that I bring the rest no.
Calvin T.I.G. Yo, you only have one chance. Hey yo, don't overstay your welcome. Don't overstay your welcome. Open mic, you just do one and you out.
Yes.
Come on. Next one, the gang, where you at? Calvin, come on. Gang, where you at? Where's the gang? The gang, where you at? Calvin, come on. The gang. Calvin, we're done, nigga. Yeah. You only have one chance. You only have one chance.
Yo.
Let's do this, gang. Come on, Calvin.
What's that shy freestyle job?
Come on, Calvin. It's an open mic.
What was the job, no?